This is Chapter 1, Lesson 5, Algebraic Division. An improper algebraic fraction is when the numerator has a degree, which is the highest power of x, that's equal to or larger than the denominator. An example is x squared plus 5x plus 8 over x minus 2. The degree of this is 1, but the degree of this is 2, the highest power. So it's an improper algebraic fraction. They have to be converted to mixed fractions before you can express them with partial fractions. You can either use algebraic division or the relationship f of x equals q of x times the divisor plus the remainder. So let's do an example. Given that x cubed plus x squared minus 7 over x minus 3 equals ax squared plus bx plus c plus d over x minus 3. Find a, b, c, and d. Using the first method, we can just divide x cubed plus x squared plus 0x minus 7 divided by x minus 3. Divide x cubed by x, you get x squared, then minus x squared minus 3x squared, you get 4x squared plus 0x, so 4x minus 4x squared minus 12x, 12x minus 7 plus 12 minus 12x minus 36, you get 29. So it's equal to x squared plus 4x plus 12 plus 29 over x minus 3. So a is 1, b is 4, c is 12, d is 29. That's the first way. The second way is, given that x cubed plus x squared minus 7 equals ax squared plus bx plus c times the divisor x minus 3 plus d. Find a, b, and c and d. So we can equate coefficients to find all of these. If we make x equals 3, if we substitute x equals 3, this turns into 0, which cancels all of this, so we can find d. We get 27 plus 9 minus 7 equals d. So that's 29 equals d. Now let's let x equal 0. If we let x equal 0, we can see that the a and b will cancel out, and all we're left with is c times 0 minus 3, which is minus 3, plus d. 0 plus 0 minus 7 is minus 7. We get minus 7 equals minus 3d plus minus 3c plus d. We know d is 29, so we get 3c equals 36, and we get c equals 12. Now, let's compare the coefficients for x cubed and x squared. For x cubed, the coefficient here is 1, and the coefficient when this is expanded will be ax squared times x, which is ax cubed. So the coefficient is just a. So a is 1. Now let's for x squared. Here, it's 1. Here, we can multiply the a by minus 3. So it can be minus 3a plus b times 1 plus b. And we know a is 1. So that's the same as 1 equals minus 3 plus b. So b equals 4. Now we have a equals 1, b equals 4, c equals 12, and d equals 29, like before. One bonus method that might be quicker for people to do in one line is by looking at each term and seeing how you would factorize it. So let's take the original expression. If we divide x cubed by x, we just get x squared. So if we divided this term, we could separate it to x cubed. What would we need to times this by x squared to allow us to divide it by x minus 3. What can because we only have x squared, what do we need to do to get rid of this minus 3? We need to add 4x squared. And then we do the same process. 4x squared divided by x is 4x. So we need to times the minus 3 by 4x. So we get minus 12x. But we don't have any x's, so we need to add 12x. And then we do the same thing. 12x divided by x is 12. So 12 times minus 3 is minus 36. But we only have minus 7, so we need to add 29. And that's all over x minus 3. And then we can break it apart into x cubed minus 3x squared over x minus 3 plus 4x squared minus 12x over x minus 3 plus 12x minus 36 over x minus 3 plus 29 over x minus 3. This will simplify to x squared. This will simplify to 4x. This will simplify to 12. And this stays as it is. And it gives us the same 1, 4, 12, and 29.